Hi guys, good morning everyone. Hello all. Am I audible? Is my voice clear to everyone? Yes, no. Can I get the responses, please? Guys, am I audible? Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible to everyone? Okay, thank you, Sudarshan. Thank you, Satya. Okay, right. So today we have to start from where? Today we have to start from moving the resources, right? We have to start from moving the resources like storage account from one resource group to another resource group, right? That is what we have to see in today's class, right? Correct. So let me go here. Let me open the material. Azure data engineering. Eh, no, you will get message like this only. No problem. Yes, 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 that's okay. See, no, that's okay, fine, no problem. The only thing you have to ensure is that, Pranil, I'll tell you. See, open your portal, portal.azure.com, make a login. Okay, pass your email ID and password. Okay, and then search here for subscription. Okay, search here for subscriptions. Here you should be getting free trial. First thing, okay, just check in your subscription also, same steps what I'm showing here. Click on a free trial. Okay, then here, if you see the current billing period, it is loading. Just hold on. See here what it is saying. It's 24 August to 23rd September. Okay, and here also it is showing, see, your free credit expires in 21 days. 21 days means exactly after 20 days from today it will get expire automatically, and it is showing, you see, 1 month. 24 August I have created, and it is going to expire on 23rd September. You just do all these steps, verify the things. Okay, no problem, this message will come. Okay, just check and let me know, Pranil. Okay, all right. So let me come here now. We are discussing the, okay, resource group movement of a storage account from one resource group to another resource group. Okay, storage account movement and its content from one resource group to another resource group. Okay, guys. So what happens here? Sometimes in your project, it do happens that they will ask you to move the resources, like storage account and all these things from one resource group to another resource group. It's very simple only. How we can do that? I'm showing it to you now. Okay. So I'll go here. Okay, I'll go to home. First thing first, every time before creating anything, what we have to create first, we have to create the resource group, right? Before creating anything in the cloud, okay, before creating anything in the cloud, the first thing we have to create is resource group. We have to create is resource group. Okay. So what we'll do now, I'll just come here and I will create a resource group. Okay. So I'm having some resource groups here. Rose Arch is one resource group I'm having. Okay. This all resource group, I'm deleting it. How to delete the resource group? See guys, I'm telling you. First, this is your home page. The moment you log in, you see this page. Okay. Click on the resource groups. If you are not finding it here, just come here and search resource group. Okay, we got the resource groups here. Next, these are the resource groups available. Among all, I'll keep this one and this two I'll delete because this two is not useful for me. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this resource group. Here I'm having an option on top called delete resource group. See, I'm having an option here called delete resource group. So click on this delete resource group. Click here. It will, the name of the resource group will get copied. Don't do like this. Control C, Control V. This is waste of time. Simply click here. It will get copied automatically. Come here and paste it. The moment you click here, you paste here your resource group name. This delete button will be activated automatically. Click on the delete button and then say confirm. Deleting these resource groups and its dependent resources is a permanent action and cannot be undone. Yes, please go ahead. Simply say delete. That's it. Fine. Next, network watcher RG. This resource group also I don't need it. Okay, click on this resource group. Delete resource group here. Click on it. Click on this one option. The resource group name will get copied completely. See, the delete button is deactivated. The moment you give the correct resource group name, automatically this will be activated. If you're seeing just like this, then see it is still not coming. You have to give the resource group name properly, then only this delete button will be enabled for you. Once this delete button is enabled, click on this one and then say delete confirm. Now two resource groups which is not required for me, that I have deleted, and this one resource group I'll create. So what my plan is to move the storage account. My plan is to move the storage account from one resource group to another resource group. Okay, what I'm trying to say, plan is, okay, plan is to move the storage account from one resource group to another resource group. Okay, from one resource group to another resource group. Okay, fine. So what I'll do, I'll come here. Okay, I'll just take a, it is still deleting. So I'll create one more resource group because I'm creating my storage account in one resource group, and after it gets created, I'm moving it to another resource group. Okay, fine. So I'll say here plus create. I'll give the resource group name. Let us take it as Naresh RG. Okay, I'm creating this in West US2. Okay, West US2. Simple. Next tags. Pass on the tags here accordingly as per your project requirement. Review plus create and then click on create. Okay, guys, what is this tags and all? This I have explained in detail in the previous classes. In every class, I cannot explain the same thing because there is a huge syllabus for us to complete. So please, okay, if you want a revision, definitely you need a revision. Please refer the video recordings. Okay, fine. So here I have created two resource group. One resource group is this one, Rose RG, and another one is Naresh RG. Okay, I'm having two resource groups. One is Rose RG and another one is Naresh RG. Okay, what I'll do now, I'll create one storage account in this Rose RG resource group. I'm creating one storage account here, okay, in this resource group. So for that, what I'll do, I'll come here. Okay, now I'm having two resource groups which I needed. Exactly good. That is what I want. I'll come here and I'll say yes, storage account. Click on create. Okay, I'll say here storage account name something 1961 MySA. Okay, see, it is saying that the storage account name, this is already taken. Please take a different name. Okay, that's why what I'm doing, I'm adding or prefixing some unique number. Okay, I'll say here 1934 something. Okay, and I'm creating this where in Naresh RG resource group. Just take, I'm creating a storage account in here. I'm creating a storage account in Naresh RG resource group. Okay, storage account. Okay, with a name my 1934 my essay 1934 my essay. Okay, fine. Okay, rest of the things I'm just leaving it to default. See guys, all these things I have explained in the previous classes, correct now? All these things I have explained in the previous classes. So what I'll do here, okay, I'll just keep all these things as it is. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and I'll delete and go for the storage account creation. Okay, so what I suggest, for all these things what I've explained in my previous classes, refer the video recordings, listen to the video recordings. In this way the video recordings will be helpful for you, and of course for your labs too. Okay, click on create. Okay, the storage account is getting created in Naresh RG resource group. Okay, let it get created. Fine, it has been done now. Storage account got created. Okay, see, in Naresh RG resource group. I'll go inside the storage account. I'll go on the blob services. And if you want, you can create one container and you can upload a file. That is basically content, storage account content. Okay. So let me create one here, say my container. Click on create. Okay, go inside and upload a file. I don't know why this is getting issue. This is where in West US2, right? I'll go to access control IAM. I click on add role assignment. See, the issue what I'm getting now, guys, to resolve this issue, I'm doing this. Okay, see, when I'm trying to upload a file, it is saying that I do not have a permission on this one. That's why what I'm doing now, I'll go to the storage account. I'll go to access control IAM, click on add role assignment. Okay, and here you have to give one access to your storage account. After you give the access, automatically you are able to upload the files inside your storage account. Okay, and what is that you have to give? Okay, you have to give storage blob contributor access. Search here storage blob contributor. See, got it? Storage blob contributor. Okay, what is showing? Storage blob data contributor. Okay, select this one, say next, select members. Okay, you have logged in with this user. Okay, you have logged in with this user, so select this user here, click on select. Okay, next. Okay, I'm not adding any conditions here. Storage blob data contributor access I'm giving. Next, and then say here review plus assign. Okay, it has been done now. I'll just check whether I'm having, okay, storage contributor role as such. Okay, I'm having storage blob data owner, storage blob data reader, storage blob delegator. Okay, fine. This is fine. I have done. Now I'll come here. I'll take a refresh. Okay, come to blob service. Come inside your container. There is an issue, guys. This got resolved in last in day before yesterday class. Also, we got this issue. How many of you have remembered? Yes, no. So I have done that search in Google. I found we have to give the access, and I'm getting this issue only in this subscription only, not in another subscriptions. This is really very irritating, man. Sometimes it will take some time also to get updated. I'm giving owner access. Same, I'm giving owner access to the storage account. It is saying me that I don't have permission actually. Okay, I'll give the owner access even on top of resource group also. Okay, I'm creating here in this resource group Naresh Arjina. I will go ahead and I will give the owner access on top of resource group also. On top of storage account I have given. Now I'm giving on the top of resource group also. Okay. Okay, say reduce plus assign. See, now the error is gone. Now the error is gone. So what I have done, I have given an owner access. I have given owner access, okay, on top of my storage account and resource group. Okay, fine. In day before yesterday class also we got this error. Okay, I have done the Google search. I remember, okay, how to resolve that issue, and see now that issue is gone. Getting, guys? Am I making sense? Is that clear? Now what I'll do, I'll upload one file. Okay, I'll go ahead, upload one file here. Okay, in this storage account. Let us take some file. I'll take it. Okay, this one. Some file I'm taking. Upload. Done. Next, what I'll do, if you guys want, you can upload one file in your file share also. This we have done in blob storage. Okay, correct na? This is my blob storage where I'm clicking here. See, notice, I'm clicking here on the blob storage service, right? Now, if you want to upload some file in file share storage service also, then click on this file share service. Click on this plus file share. Give some name. Let us take as my fs, my file share. Click on. Okay, next. I don't want the backup because I'm going to delete this after the class. Because see, guys, I'll tell you one thing. The moment you complete your lab, immediately you have to delete the resource group. Always. So anyhow, after the class, I'm going to delete this complete resource group. That's why I don't need even backup also. I'm doing this for my learning and class perspective, not for a real-time project. In real-time projects, when you work in your companies, on that time you can't delete. You won't have the access to delete the resource group. But when you have created your Azure account, then you are having full access and you are doing a learning there. So once you have done the lab, once you have completed, please delete the resource group immediately. Okay, fine. Next, say here review plus create and then click on create. Why we have to delete the resource group? This all, okay, is important because when you are creating a free trial account, it is giving you some credit limit of 15,500, I believe. This is the free credit limit you will get in an Azure free trial subscription. Okay, free credit limit you will get in an Azure free trial subscription. Okay, so whatever the resources you are creating now, guys, okay, the amount is getting deducted from this free credit limit. Okay, you have created storage account, you have created virtual machine, you have created CDN, okay, you have created Azure Data Factory, etc. Whatever you are creating, so these all resources when it is getting created now, so the amount is getting deducted from this free credit limit. So two things are important in free trial account. What are the two things important on a free trial account? First is money and time. Okay, so you are having total money this much and you are having total time as 1 month. Correct? Total money this much you are getting as free credit limit and time you are having 1 month. So now what we'll do, what I'll do, both money and time I have to take care of for a free trial account. Why? Because see, I'll tell you. You have created these resources in your Azure account, in your free trial Azure account, and you have not deleted these resources. What will happen? These resources will keep eat on. Okay, will keep on eating the money from here only. Of course, it's a free trial only, free credit limit only. But these resources will keep on eating the money from this credit limit. What will happen as they keep on eating the money? Okay, day and night, day and night, day and night. Okay, so this complete money, okay, the complete money will be finished. Okay, just in 10 days. Okay, now your free credit limit will become zero. Okay, after 10 days, your free credit limit will become zero. If it's become zero, then simply the Azure cloud platform, it will say that boss, you don't have any credit limit, you cannot create the other resources. So what you can do, 20 days is there still in your hands, only 10 days you have utilized, 20 days is there still in your free trial account to get expire, but there is no money. That's what you cannot create any resources. It's a waste of everything. That's why immediately once you complete your lab, delete the resource group. Delete the resource group. Okay. Next thing, suppose you are deleting the resource groups immediately. Okay. After you have completing your lab, how to delete the resource group? Just now I have shown, guys. Now what you can do, if you are deleting immediately the resource group after the lab, then the resources whatever you have created, it will not eat much of your money. Of course it will eat, but it will eat very, 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 very less. Okay, and sometimes it do happens like this also. You are having a free credit limit of 10,000 rupees. You are having a free credit limit of 10,000 rupees. Okay, still this is, you are having free credit limit. Okay, 10,000 rupees free credit limit you are having. And what is happening here? What is happening here is you have completed 28 days in your free trial account. Okay, out of 30 days. Out of 30 days, you have completed 28 days. 2 days are left because free trial is for 30 days only. That's it. So 2 days is left over. So what is happening here? Here you are having money, but no time. Correct? Here you are having money, but no time. Here you are having time. Just 10 days is done. That's it. 20 days is there. Time, but no money. This is also not of use. This is also not of use. You cannot say Microsoft, why I am having 10,000 rupees in my free credit limit. Give me an extension of one more month. No, not possible. Absolutely not possible. Okay, and here you are saying like, I'm having, okay, lot of time, still 20 days of time for me. Okay, what happens if my free credit limit gets finished? Okay, you add some more free credit limit in my free trial account. No, it's not possible. So both time and money is important for us. Time and money, see, time anyhow we cannot control it. Okay, the days goes on. Okay, but money at least we can control. Here the money we can control at least. Correct, guys. Is that clear? That's why it's always a standard best practice to delete the resource group. Okay, it's always a best practice to delete the resource group immediately. Okay, after you have created, after you have done with your lab. Is that clear? Very, very important thing, guys. Very important thing. Okay, please be careful. Immediately delete the resource groups once you have okay, done with it. Next thing, I'll come back to the lab now. I have created okay a file share with a name called myfs. I'll come to browse. Okay, here also it is showing the same problem. I'm having problem in this subscription only. Okay, I'm trying to upload a file. I'm trying to upload a file here. File share we have not deployed here. Come to the storage account. Come to file services. Okay, this is my file share. Okay, I'm trying to upload. Click on upload here. Go for browse for the files. Okay, I'm taking some file here. Okay, forbidden. It is not allowing me. Guys who have created this Azure subscription, please try to do this one. Try to upload the files inside the file share storage service and blob storage service. Let me know if you guys are also facing the same issue. This is the issue that is not at all expected, but I don't know why it is coming to me only. Just check for you, okay, whether it is working or not. If you are currently authenticating using the storage account access keys, you will see access keys specified as the authentication method. And in the following image, if you are authenticating using your Azure AD account, you will see Azure AD user account specified instead. To switch to using the access account access key, select the link that says switch to access keys. If you have access to the storage account key, you will be able to proceed. However, if you lack access to the account key, you will see an error message that you don't have permission to use the access key list data. No file share appear in the list if you don't have access to the account access key. Default to Azure AD Authority authorization in the Azure portal. Navigate to storage account overview in the Azure portal. Okay. Storage account overview in the Azure portal. Is anyone trying? Is anyone trying for this one? Okay. This is the overview of the storage account. Okay. Under settings, select a configuration. No, settings is not here. Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. I don't know what is the issue in this subscription. In this subscription, there is some issue going on. Okay, if I take another subscription here, I'm taking another subscription. Okay, this is my another subscription, another Azure account. This is my another Azure account. This is paid one. This is paid one. Okay, I'll create a resource group here. See, I'm creating a resource group. I have to sort it out. I'll just look into this, guys. This issue, what we are facing now. See Satya. Satya is able to add the file. I don't know what is going on wrong with my subscription. I don't know. There is some problem going on wrong. There is something going on wrong in this subscription. Why this subscription is troubling me since 2 days, I don't know. Though I am the owner here. If you see here, if you check the access, my permissions, see, I am an administrator. Administrator would be having the complete full access. See, I'm an administrator on this subscription, but still I'm getting these kind of issues. It's really very annoying for me. I'll do it later. Okay, I'll just come back here. Okay, this is another subscription. Okay, I'm creating a resource group here first. I'm doing the same thing again, guys, in a different subscription. Okay, I'm creating a resource group. I'll create two resource groups. Okay, I'll create one more resource group because I have to navigate, right? I have to navigate, or I have to move the storage account from one resource group to another resource group. So that's why I'm creating two resource groups. Okay. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'll create one storage account in Naresh RG resource group. Okay. I'll create one storage account. Let us take something like this. Okay. I'll go for LRS. Okay. Rest of the things I'm just leaving it to default. Okay. I'm creating one storage account. See guys, all these things I have explained in the previous classes. Please refer the recordings if you want to know. That the storage account gets deployed here. Okay. My storage account got deployed, completed. Come inside the storage account, click on containers, blob service, create one container. This all we have done in previous classes. Same thing I'm doing again. Okay. Click on create. Okay, come inside your container, say upload. See here, I'm not getting that issues. In this another Azure account, I'm not getting that issues. Okay, like I don't have access, permission, all this stuff. Browse the file, upload this file, say open, and then say upload. One kind of data means file. It is having some data I have uploaded. Same what I'll do, I'll come to file share. I'll create a file share. Just take it as myfs. Okay, I'm saying it as myfs. Okay, next, I don't want the backup. That's why I'm not selecting. I'm simply saying uncheck. Next, review plus create, and then click on create. Okay. File share got created. What I'll do, I'll come to browse and upload some file here. What I'll do, I'll upload some file. Okay. Browse to file. Okay. I'll say here jobs follow-ups, something, open, and then say upload. See now what I have done, guys. I have created a storage account. I have created a blob storage service. In that, I have kept some content, nothing but data, files, and all. And I have created one file share, and I have created file share inside the storage account, and then I have uploaded one file inside this. Okay, this all we have done in previous classes, nothing new. This is nothing new. We have done all this in our previous classes. If you are practicing it, you can easily catch up. Fine. Now, what I'm going to do, this storage account is where in my Naresh RG resource group. See, this storage account 1961 my SA. This is where in my Naresh RG resource group. Correct. So I want to move this storage account in the Rose RG resource group. See, if you come here, if you check here, I'm having one resource group with a name called Rose RG. See, Rose RG, right? If you go inside this resource group, is there anything in this resource group? See, no resources match your filters. Nothing is there, no resources. But here in the Naresh RG resource group, if you come to Naresh RG resource group, this is your Naresh RG resource group. Here you are having one storage account. See, this is Naresh RG, Naresh RG. This is Rose RG. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll start moving the storage account from Naresh RG to Rose RG. What I'll do, I'll just come to Naresh RG first. I'll say here, move. Okay, I'm having one option here called to move the data. Why move is 1 minute? Hold on. I just move this one. I'll say here, move. Okay. If you are having 10 storage accounts, example, then you have to select which all storage accounts you want to move, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay. There is only one storage account for me, and that is what I am moving here. Say move to another resource group, move to another subscription, move to another region. Okay, multiple options you are having. I'll say here move to another resource group. Select this one. Okay. Now what it is saying? It is saying that what the target resource group you want means which resource group you want to move. Right now, the source is what Naresh RG. Correct now. My storage account is in my Naresh RG resource group. This is the source, and target. I want to move it to Rose RG resource group. That is what I have selected here. Rose RG. Say next year. Okay. So it is saying you that checking whether these resources can be moved, and this might take a few minutes. It is just doing the validation. It is doing the validation. It is just checking whether this storage account can be moved to Rose RG or not. Just hold on. It is doing the validation. And one more important thing I see here, when you are doing the movement from one resource group to another resource group, okay, it will take time, depends upon the volume of data, how much you are having in your storage account. Okay, in your storage account, if you are having 5 GB, okay, let us take, it will take some 20 minutes. If you are having 50 GB, it will take maybe half an hour. If you are having 1 TB, maybe it will take 1 hour. It depends. It depends upon the volume of data. I'm just giving you as an example here. So whatever the huge volume, if you are having in your storage account, then it will take that much of a high time to make the movement from one resource group to another resource group. Okay, fine. So just hold on. It is still going with the validation process. Oh my God, it is taking a lot of time for the validation. Yeah, super. Now see, the validation got succeeded. Okay, it will take some time, guys. You have to have some patience. Fine, it is succeeded. Now I'll say next. What it is saying, see, it is saying me that I am moving the storage account from this Naresh RG resource group source to this Rose RG. This is my target, and number of resources I'm moving is just one storage account only I'm moving as of now. That is fine. What I'm saying here, I understand that tools and scripts associated with the moved resources will not work until I update them to new resource ID. Okay, resource ID will be generated, guys, for every resource. Okay, I'll show you that resource ID where you will find it. Okay, simply check this checkbox and say here move. That's it. Now the migration, you can say here, from one resource group to another resource group is being started. Okay. See, we are not able to see anything in this rows RG. In rows RG, nothing is there. Wait for some time until this is gets completed. And finally, after some 5 minutes, you will see that the resources has been moved from one resource group to another resource group. And what resources we are moving here? Storage account. Okay. The movement is in progress, or you can say it as one resource group to another resource group. The migration is going on. So hold on. See, I have just kept one file in blob storage service and one file in file share storage service, right? That's it. It takes some time, guys, though there is very less volume of data, very less volume of data in our storage account, but still it will take some time. See, 2 minutes is completed. Here it is showing you the time. See, 2 minutes is completed. Still taking a lot of time. Super. It is completed. Super. Okay. Now see, it is been succeeded. What I'll do, I'll come to the resource group here. I'll take a refresh. Let us see whether the storage account will come here or not. This is what rows RG resource group, right? Aha. Super. Done. The movement or the migration from one resource group to another resource group is completed. Okay. Fine. So if you come inside the storage account here, okay, if you come to the blob storage service here, you will find the okay container what you have created. You will find the file also what you have uploaded. Same, you go to the file share storage service. You come inside the file share service, and here you will find the file that what you have uploaded. See, jobs follows. This is the migration or movement. Same thing I have given here, like create two resource group in different regions, create a storage account. Okay, in one resource group, create a container and upload some data inside the storage account. Okay, go inside the storage account, okay, which we have created above. Click on move on top, move to another resource. What all I have done, I have given the steps here. Wait for some time until the migration movement is completed. Now here we can see the storage account, and the content of the storage account will be moved from one resource group to another resource group. That's it, guys. Fine. So next topic, we are having front door. What is front door CDN profile? This will take up in next class. Okay. So we'll take this up in tomorrow's class, guys. Okay. In tomorrow's class, we'll see what is this concept, why we are using this concept, what is the purpose of all this thing. Okay. This I'll take it up in tomorrow's class. All right, guys. Any questions, anyone, before I close the class? Is that clear? Yes, no? Any questions, anyone? Guys, if no questions, please say me at least no also. Did you understand the yesterday's and today's labs? All labs are going fine. Mm-hmm. Pranil, whatever you have suggested for free, I have checked. So it is correct only for you, right? It's showing you free trial only, na? Okay, good. What is Saif is saying here? Saif, yes, is there a real life application on of this concept? A real life application means what, Saif? You would be having some storage accounts like this only, and your client will be asking you to do the migration from one resource group to another resource group. They will give you the storage account details. Okay, they will ask you to move, okay, from one resource group to another resource group. They will give you the details, your storage account details, your resource group details, from which resource group do you want to migrate to which resource group, and all this you will do exactly how I have done. The same you will do in your real-time projects also. Okay. Yesterday's Satya, have you enrolled with video recordings, or how it is? Satya Sanjay, if you have enrolled with video recordings, then you will get an permission on this platform. And guys, I strongly no Satya, I strongly recommend you guys to please get enrolled with video recordings. Labs you cannot do. See, I'll put it very clearly again. I have told na in previous classes, I have told very clearly. See, if you are taking only okay classes, okay, live classes, okay, live classes, then trust me, you cannot do the labs. Video recordings are must, guys. Video recordings are must. Without video recordings, you cannot do the labs. Okay, without video recordings, you cannot do the labs. I'm telling it very straightforward. Trust me. Okay, so please get enrolled with video recordings. It's not too expensive, Save. Okay, just check in Simply Learn or IntelliPad or other platforms, other training institutes. They are charging 25,000 for this course. 25,000 they are charging. Okay, Naresh IT is the cheapest, I can say. Make an inquiry. Make an inquiry. Call to other institutes. Check with them with video recordings how much they are charging. They are taking GST also on top of it. 18% GST again. Okay. The people who don't know Naresh IT, they are the, what I can say, they are very unlucky people. They are very unlucky. Okay. What Naresh offers is the best price in the market. Okay. And one more thing here, see, I'll tell you. If you invest some extra 5,000 rupees, okay, if you invest some extra 5,000 rupees, okay, this will give you the returns in lakhs of rupees. If you are investing some 5,000, this is giving you the returns in lakhs of rupees. How it is giving you returns in lakhs of rupees? Because you will get a job, buddy. Okay, you will get a job. Okay, if you do the labs by seeing the recordings, okay, then you will get the knowledge, you will gain the knowledge, and you will get the job, and your job will give you, okay, 5 lakhs package for freshers, 5 LPA or 7 LPA. It depends upon your luck. Okay, so that is what, see, everything is related to each other. Okay, this 5,000 investment, okay, if you do na, it will give you a job in return. And I am telling you, okay, 100% I am telling you, okay, just by attending the classes, okay, you cannot do the labs, because the upcoming labs are very tough. The upcoming labs are very, very tough. Okay, you cannot remember all these steps. Cannot remember all these steps. You cannot do, trust me. So don't think about this extra money. Invest this, do the practice. That is important. Do the practice. If you are not interested, if you are not serious, then don't invest this money. If you are serious, if you really want to get a job, then 5,000 is something like just 5 rupees, I'm telling. Okay, is that clear? All right. I'll share the notes, Pranil. Next week, I'll share the notes. No worries. Okay. Next week, I'll share the notes. Ramakrishna, I couldn't attend the class continuously yesterday and today. As I was in travel. Today, I got some time to attend. I will listen recorded classes. I will come up with questions if any tomorrow. I don't see recorded links in students portal. Is it possible to share it here? No, see, okay, good question, Ramakrishna. See what I'm trying to say. This is the recording links. Okay, just ping your admin. Shubham is your batch admin, right? I'll give his number to all of you guys. Okay, this is the portal from Naresh IT. You will get the access to this portal. You will get the access to this portal. Whatever the email ID you have given to register in Naresh IT, definitely you have to give the mail ID na, to enroll in the Naresh IT. That mail ID, okay, you will give, and password you have to reset when you are making a login for the first time. Click on sign in, and then in this portal automatically you will get the access. See here, if I click on this one, this is your batch. See, all these are the video recordings. See, yesterday 31st of August, today is 1st of September, yesterday was 31st of August. Yesterday recording is available in this portal. You will get the access automatically here, and then you can see the recordings. You can come here and you can see the recording. This is our yesterday's class. See, it got stuck. Today we are going to start with the file share storage services, right? See, this recording is going to help you to do the labs, guys. You can see what I'm configuring, what I'm doing the lab, how I'm doing. Done the payment. Okay, something like that. Okay. All right. So, and once it is done, then I'll start sharing this material and everything. Fine. See, these labs are very important, guys, to do. These video recordings are very important. Naresh, okay, FS, okay, Vault. All right. Something I'm so this is the platform. Okay, in this platform you will get the access once you make the payment. Okay, just tell them to give you the access on the portal. They will give it to you. Okay, I'll give that number. I think you have already got the number of Shubham. He's our admin, class admin. Okay, take his number, ping him, and tell him that after you have done the payment, that you need access on the portal for video recordings. Okay, Shubham. No, no, I don't know about this, Ramakrishna. Please, that's what I'm telling you. How they are maintaining it, how they are managing, how many websites they are having. This is not in my control. For that reason only, for all these questions, whatever you are asking, please ping this guy, Shubham, and tell him that I need the access for the video recordings. Okay, I don't know what is this. What are these two websites? Okay, learn.nareshit.com and all. It I think it's this website only. Okay, I cannot give you even the access. The recordings they are completely keeping on their control. The recording is in their control. It's not in my control. Okay, material and all. This is in my control. Okay, this is recording link only. That what you are saying. I understood. So just tell him to give the access. Acha, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Ramakrishna. Thank you. Okay, all right, all right. Fine, guys. Okay, nice to take up your questions, nice to address your concerns. Okay, so tomorrow's topic will be the CDR will cover. Okay, till that time, okay, just refer the video recordings, and next early week, like next week early, like Monday, Tuesday only, I'll just share the material. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Take care. Have a nice day ahead. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, Ramakrishna.